So in this tutorial, we are going to talk about between operator in MySQL. So between operator basically selects all the records within a given range. That range can be a number, a text, or some values or date values like that. And this operator is basically inclusive. Like we have to mention the starting range and the ending range when we are writing the statement using this. So we will do it practical. Like if we need to find the customer details for the age range from 18 to 25, we can do that easily using this between operator. So here we will do select star from orders, where is being used because we need to filter the rows. So where age, this is the column name that we need to filter, where age between, sorry, this is my typo, between 18 and 25. When I will execute this query, you can see the result here. You can see the result here that all the customer details listed here, their age ranges between 18 to 25. No one is beyond that range. So like that, here if we include not operator, it will return all the customer details for the persons uh, whose age is beyond this range, that is 18 to 25. If I execute this, you can see the difference, and I guess you will understand the difference. So you can see that whoever the customer is, uh, they are either less than 18 or greater than 25. No one is in this range. So like this. So hope you understood this concept and you can work on your own. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.